If you want to buy a property in Portugal but cannot fully finance it on your own, the good news is that getting a housing mortgage in Portugal is a very common practice. It is a very straightforward and relatively easy process. Another advantage is that in Portugal, everyone can apply for a mortgage, whether you are a citizen, a foreign resident, or even non-resident. Although there might be some differences, the process is the same for everyone. The main difference, though, might be the amount of deposit that you will have to pay depending on your status in the country. If you are a foreign resident or non-resident, you can expect to have to pay between 20 and 30% from the purchase price. The total amount that you will be able to borrow from the bank will depend on your monthly income. A sufficient proof of a stable income will allow you to get a mortgage regardless of whether you are unemployed, self-employed, retired, or get your income from a passive return. The presence of a credit broker will be very useful in this process. His professional and personalized support, as well as the knowledge of the market, will make the process more efficient and fast. So what kind of documents you will be requested once you apply for a housing mortgage? Typically, the list of documents looks as the following: passport, your NIF, which is your fiscal identification number, proof of residency, proof of income, and your bank statement for the last 3 to 6 months. We recommend you to start the mortgage process as early as possible, even if you're still thinking of what kind of property you would like to buy, as this will allow you to understand how much exactly you can afford and how much you can expect to get from the bank. It is also advisable to check conditions in different banks because sometimes they can be very different. And again, this is something that can be done more efficiently with the presence of a credit broker that we will be happy to recommend you. To conclude, it's worth saying that Portugal has a very high number of homeowners. About 75% of the population have their own home. Would you like to become one of them? Then get in touch with us and we will be happy to provide you with a fully guided support every step of the way and help you to find your dream house in Portugal.